Hi friends, welcome to Shah's Garden Tech. Today in this video, I will share 6 amazing tips to grow daffodils plants, also known as Narcissus. These plants belong to Amaryllidaceae family. If you follow these 6 steps successfully, you can grow daffodil plant. Let us discuss. First one, daffodil plant has two types of varieties. One is normal variety and one more is drought tolerant. If you are growing normal variety of daffodil plant, then you have to water the bulb thoroughly to help them to develop the rooting system. If you are growing drought tolerant daffodil, prefer the soil has to be moist but not soggy. If you are growing the drought tolerant daffodil plant, while preparing potting mix, you have to add more coco peat for proper drainage. So take care of this one if you are growing this variety. Second one is flowering. Most of the daffodils plant will not bloom due to few reasons. Let's discuss. Plant the daffodils plant where they get 6 to 7 hours of proper sunlight. If they won't get proper sunlight, they will not bloom. If you keep in partial shade, they will grow well but without blooms. If you want more blooms, you have to keep them in the sunlight. In this video, I have shared the starting phase of the blooming to the ending of the blooming of daffodils plants. I have captured all the phases you can enjoy while watching this video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe Shah's Garden Tech. Third important tip is daffodil plants need proper drainage. If they don't have a proper drainage system, they will not grow well. You have to check the drainage system of the pot thoroughly. This is the budding starting stage of my budding phase of daffodil plant. Here you can see. So you have to take care of the drainage very well while growing this narcissus plant. Fourth one is so many people have a doubt what type of soil is good for daffodil plants. Loose or loamy soil is best to grow daffodil plant. You will get more blooms. If you have a poor uh, draining soil, then plant them in the raised bed. If you have a, you can keep them in raised bed. If you don't have a good soil, poor soil, you can plant them in raised bed. This is the best method to grow daffodil plant. Fifth important tip is fertilizer. Daffodil plants need proper fertilizer to bloom very well, to grow very well. You can fertilize these plants once in 2 weeks with organic fertilizer like cow dung, kitchen compost, or vermicompost, whatever is available. You can fertilize them. If you want to, if you have a liquid organic homemade fertilizer, once in a week you can fertilize the plant. So take care of this one. Last one is pest control. So many daffodil plants are not healthy due to pests. If you have a pest, easily you can make homemade pest control for daffodil plants. Just take a pinch of asafoetida, mix it with 1 liter of sour diluted buttermilk, then spray on the plant after watering the plant. Easily you can get rid of pests. You can apply to the other flowering plants also, as it is chemical free, totally organic and safe way to get rid of pests. For other indoor gardening plants also you can pest control with this method. If you like my videos, if you want more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe my Shah's Garden Tech channel. If you want more videos regarding to other plants, just write down on the comment box section. I will reply to all your comments. Thank you.